Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hi, this is Clee Crocker. I'm here once again at Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. So, what I'm going to talk to you about today, well, you know, doing laundry, no one really likes doing laundry, right? I don't like it, you don't like it, I like wearing it, but I don't like doing it. Why not? Well, you know, I'm getting up there in age and, you know, I don't like to bend. I hate bending over. Just don't like anything about it. But there are some things that you and I can do to make it a lot easier on you. And one of those things is not to bend so much. So the number one complaint of a front load washer and dryer, even though it's the number one thing that's sold out there, is that you have to bend down in order to get to it. So why not do it up here? You can do that by adding a pedestal to it. So, you know, we wanted to think about, why should I get a pedestal? Well, number one, your laundry room isn't going to look as cluttered as it was before. So some of the nicest designed laundry rooms I've ever seen, they hide everything. It's all still there, but it's just hidden. So what you can do, on a lot of these pedestals, they'll open up and you can fill it up with the chemicals they use to wash, whatever. It can all go inside there. If it's perfect, it stores a lot. You can put row after row of laundry detergent, softener, you know, the static sheets, anything you want will go in there. These things usually sit about 15 inches high, and the great thing is when you're using them, most of the new homes that are designed out there have some cabinets above the laundry, but they sit just about this level. So they'll actually, this with its pedestal will fit in there, and it's designed that way when they design new homes. So and they've been doing that for a while now. So if you're getting a newer home, you can do that as well. So the thing about a pedestal that you want to remember is, one, get one. It will save you a lot of backache down the road, and it saves you a cluttered laundry room. But the other thing is when to get one. And so the hardest thing to do is to try to buy a pedestal after you've already had your washer and dryer installed. And so that's because, you know, these things, they retain a lot of water in them even after they're done washing. And it's very difficult to pull this out, turn it on its side, bolt these things up because they have to be bolted up together. And the best time to do it is when you're actually getting a delivery done. So when you're buying your new washer and you're buying your new dryer, go ahead and buy the pedestals. Tell the salesman that you want them to install these because you don't want to have to do these yourself. I've done it. It's heavy and awkward. I'd rather have had my delivery guy do that for me instead of me thinking I'm the appliance expert on everything, you know. And so have them delivered with the laundry all at the same time, and you'll save yourself a big headache and a ton of backaches and the mess that you might otherwise see. So you can see there's much less bending from here to here. I want to give you one other option in the pedestal. So let's walk over here for just a second. This is something that LG is doing. So this is another pedestal, except that this is a washer. So instead of doing just a load of clothes in one, down below you can hook up another washer, and if you see inside there, you can open this up. These typically hold about a cubic foot of laundry, where these will hold about 4.5 cubic foot of laundry. So you can actually do quite a bit. So I'm just thinking, when I do my laundry, you know, I typically will do all my colors once, and I do some t-shirts next. I don't have a lot of t-shirts, but wouldn't it be great if I were to be able to do my colors and then put my white t-shirts down below, all at the same time, and then I can put them into the dryer all at once. This is something that LG has brought to us with this washing pedestal, and I think you'll like it. Let's see, pricing on this one is $629.99 today. It's actually everyday weekend, so that's a sale price. And then the other ones, they range from $199 to $250 to $300, depending on what brand you get. So do yourself a favor and consider getting the pedestal this time.